Analysis paralysis is by far the top thing that stops people from pursuing their goals. I see this happen all the time. People reach out to me asking, which tool should I use to start my blog? Or which microphone should I use to start my podcast with? And at the end of the day, paralysis analysis means you're not gonna choose either, and you end up doing nothing. So how do you hack your brain and work your way around actually making decisions and taking steps towards your goals? That is what I like to think of as just simplifying things. So I like to break down complex processes, maybe when I'm doing something new or something a little bit outside of my comfort zone where I'm a little bit in my own head about it. And I like to learn from experts, so I'll go and find someone who gives me really prescriptive advice on how to get started with something. And rather than just worrying about if it's going to be perfect or if in 10 years from now it's going to be exactly what it should be, I will just start with the small, single incremental steps each day that work myself towards what that larger goal eventually is. But analysis paralysis is so easy to fall into. I fall into it myself all the time. I'm not immune to it. But when I notice that I'm in that state where I'm not making a decision, I'm not making progress on something that's meaningful and important to me, I'll take a look at what's under the surface there. And often it's just that little tiny decision of whether I should choose, the right microphone, the right camera. And the answer is always the best camera you have, the best microphone you have, the best computer you have is the one that's with you. And yes, there's always going to be something that's a little bit higher quality and will deliver better results or help you do things faster, more effectively, more efficiently. But starting where you're at today and taking those individual incremental steps is how you actually make progress. So my advice, try and avoid the trap of analysis paralysis as best you can and cultivate the ability to recognize when you're in those moments and make it okay with yourself to just choose the next thing that's in front of you. And remember that the best way to learn is through taking action.